Wait a second.
Snakes in there. Come over here. Look at mommy.
Hi.
Here, do you want to open it? Look in there. Look inside.
What was that? Did it scare you? No.
Oh!
Was that scary? What was it? What was it, baby?
Real.
Huh?
It was real.
It was real?
Yeah.
You think there's a real snake in there?
Yeah.
There's not. You want to go look now? There's not. You can look now. She scared you, huh? Look.
Take a look. It's not going to do it again.
It won't do it again. It won't do it again. You want to scare Daddy with it later? Yeah, it's not real. Kayla, take it out and show him what it is.
Come here, look.
There's no snakes in
Come
there.
Here, look. This is what it is. Come here, look.
No.
See, that's all it is. That's all it is. Yeah.